In this video, we will be going over the amare, toda la vida, trumpet 2. Here it says trumpet B, and you'll be doing the bottom bracket. So to begin with, trumpet 1 is going to start with a call, and trumpet 2 is going to be a response. So trumpet 1 is going to go. Trumpet 2 is going to go. And again, that's. Okay. And then section A goes like this. 3, 4, 1. And again, that's. Next part, it's AV8, so it's an octave below. And it goes 3, 4. And again, that's. Next part, 3, 4, 1. And again, that's 3, 4, 1. Next part, similar, but a little bit different. 3, 4, 1. And again, that's 3, 4, 1. And then we do the beginning again, and then we're going to have another phrase. So it's the first trumpet is trumpet 2. Then trumpet 2, next phrase. And that's again 3, 4, 1, 2. And the ending is going to go like this. 3, 4. And again, that's 3, 4. And that's it.